Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and as you guys can see, Star Wars is definitely in the building. Big shout out to Otterbox for sending these Symmetry cases out to me. So, start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pop. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we have two Symmetry cases, the Star Wars edition, and we have the Stormtrooper on the left, and we have the Star Wars logo on the right. I'm definitely feeling this. I actually saw this at CES and it did have some B-roll on that. This thing looks absolutely gorgeous in my eyes. So as you guys can see from the box, you do have the Symmetry logo on both sides. And we do have the Star Wars logo next to the Otterbox logo as well. Same box, two different cases. I just wanted to actually say this real quick. I actually picked this case up from eBay months ago, and I'm just so disappointed how it looked. It's like a printout on a case, and I just got ripped off, but oh well. Big shout out to Kylo Ren. So here is the Stormtrooper case, guys. Beautiful coloring. I'm definitely feeling the look of it. So let's just pop this baby out. And on the inside, you do have the logo for Star Wars. So let's just pop the plastic out and see what you get in the box. And so we have the Star Wars logo, and on the back you do get the Symmetry and the Otterbox logo. The Otterbox cares, inspiring kids to change the world. And over here you have the warranty guide right here. So let's just toss that to the side. Let's see what you guys came here to see. This is the Stormtrooper Symmetry case from Otterbox. I'm definitely feeling that. And the detail right here, guys, how they put like a part of the helmet that has like a little circle. They actually put it by the O for Otterbox, so I'm definitely feeling the way they did that. Really, really close to detail. And on the inside, you do have the pattern for the shock absorption, and it does have a one-piece part here. And you do have the logo for Otterbox right over there. So let's just pop this baby in and see what it looks like. Simple installation. It does feel a little bit slippery, so pop that in. Alright guys, so what do you guys think? It looks absolutely perfect for all the ports, and for the lip action, looks pretty good. Let's see if we could focus in on that baby. There you go. Looks pretty good. And on the front lip action, you do get a little bit on the side and a little bit on the top and the bottom. I'm definitely feeling the look of this case. I'm definitely going to be turning heads with this. People will be asking me what case this is. And I think having to even tell them that it's an Otterbox case, they're probably going to be surprised, because a lot of people think that the Otterbox cases are just all bulky and stuff, but they do have some special edition cases like this, and they do have another series. I will have that link down below if you guys are interested in that. So here is the Stormtrooper version. Let's get back into focus there, and let's put that to the side. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, so let's take out the Star Wars logo one. Put that to the side. It has the same inside. There's nothing different there. Put that to the side. So what do you guys think about this one? It does have a candy shell red, and it does have a Star Wars logo, which I'm definitely digging so far. And we have the Otterbox logo in red as well. So if you guys are waiting for that new Han Solo movie, so am I. I'm definitely a fan of the Star Wars series. So let's just pop it out of the Stormtrooper one, which is a little bit difficult, guys. This is not easy task, but that will mean that you have a lot of protection and it's not going to pop out the case. So let's just pop this inside the Star Wars one. Alright, there you go, guys. So what do you guys think? I think it looks pretty cool in my eyes. Same thing. Everything looks good as far as ports, and the lip action is definitely on point for all four corners and for the camera. The buttons, the power button is a little bit mushy, but you could definitely feel like the feedback of it. And the volume up and down are way more clickier. And you do have the cutout, that's for the mute toggle switch. That looked pretty good there. Let's focus in on that. There you go. Everything looks good. Alright guys, so what do you guys think about the case? Let me know down in the comments below. I'm definitely digging them. Big shout out to Otterbox, and big shout out to Star Wars. So if you guys want to buy this product, the link will be down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of Otterbox products and more tech to come. So, to the next video, guys. Peace. Back in the building. Later.